All right, we're gonna try their camera out. Ready, boys? Let's go out to the snow day. Snow day, come on. Let's show Colette, Lexi, Becca, and Alicia what they got out of this. Let's show them. Come on. Let's go freeze our ass off. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Twinkle Toes. You gonna go this way? Come on, we'll go around. Come on. Let's go. Hey, you really gonna pee there? Come on. Let's go. Oh, really? You couldn't get in the backyard? You pee like a girl. Come on. Come on. Let's go, come on. Let's go back here. Snow's lightened up now. Come on, let's go. Hooch, Doc, Murphy. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, idiot. Come on. Tell them why you love them. Tell them you love them. Let's go. Do you like them? Are you a part of them? Take a dump so I can stop freezing. Yes, Lexi, Alicia, Becca, and Colette, I am using your style. Oh, here. Let's do a zoom up. Zoom up. You don't like that, do you? Somebody filming your dick? I want them all to see how we roll. Come on. Oh, you're such a twinkle toe. Come on, go to the bathroom. Somebody got to take a dump. Come on. You can do it. Don't you? Hey. Go to the bathroom, assholes. This is the way we slap a dog, slap a dog, slap a dog. Come on, idiot. Murphy, are you cold? You're so wimpy. Murphy. Show him who's in charge. Show him who's in charge. Come on, Murphy. Why is my heat pump running all the time? Andy asks. Because it's fucking cold. Come on. This is what we need, Lexi. RV hookup for the generator. Goes right into there. All controlled with one little thing, Becca. That's what you guys need. What you people need. Ah. Alright. You guys done go to the bathroom? Come on, we've showcased our stuff for Becca and company. They know we're using their gear. This was a training run. Are you gonna go to the bathroom, Twinkle Toes? Come on. Come on, Murphy. And we got the coldness. Had to block off the stairs because they kept sliding down them. Slow asses. What are you doing? Wanna play some basketball? Come on, Twinkle. Come on. You just take a pee over here. Alicia, you want a yellow snow cone? Come on. Let's go, Twinkle Toes. This is the way we freeze our ass, we freeze our ass, we freeze our ass. What do you guys think? I'll start my own YouTube channel. I'll call it the Go Fuck It channel. Go. Yep, gate. Lock an eye. What do you guys think? Don't eat the yellow snow. Come on, you wanna go in? We've had to dig this door I don't know how many times. All right, we did our first film. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, team. Thank you for the camera.